All right, it's like day 2 or 3. We're back at it. Back at the hole, we're gonna blow some water down it, and then we might end up packing up some rods and moving it, but quite a bit out. It seemed like it took about 2 days to get up to, I think, 30 feet maybe. All right, so we blew that hole again just to make sure we drained it out, and then that we could case and that there was water. So found out that it's not that full of water. It's pretty dry. So we're gonna pack this part up and then move over to another location that rain a blessing on that seems super promising. So stay tuned.
This is my first day on the job.
Yeah, mine too. All right, we're getting ready to go to the new site. Made a couple dowsing rods. Jessica had the good idea using the paper from the coat hanger as handles and some copper. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this area in here and see if I can't find a spot that will be promising. All right, we found a new spot over by the trees. I'll flip it around to show you. Here at the front. There we are.
go to the Dollar Tree and get me some more clams.
Hey, dig deep enough, you can get all the way to China. Pick up a couple.
Throw them in the hole.
Yeah.
Doesn't understand. Go down there. Pushing out the line. I'm puking out the. Before I give her the beans, I'm just dumping the mud water out of there. Nice. There's enough water coming up out of the ground for that. That does happen. Mommy doing something?
It is. It's so cool. Oh. Alright. Let her blow. That's exciting.
That I like it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fill this whole tank up.
Like we might get wet over here. I don't know. Yeah. You want me to walk it out? It's all right. This will be muck water coming out. All right, so that white pipe is well 6 inches, goes down 100 feet. Some sections are tiny slits in it to let the water in. Then we put a bunch of some bleached gravel. And then bentonite clay. Now he's pumping a bunch of air in there. I'm gonna start blowing it out. There it is. Doesn't look that much. blowing out the muck water, cleaning out the well. Oh, beautiful sunset. It's bentonite clay.
That'll be what we plug the bottom with.
How far does that go down? 20 feet? The bentonite clay?
25.
25 feet? And then below that was pea gravel?
Yep.
All right, we are going to do our first pump out and clean out the water. Should I pour a little over here first? Or?
No, it doesn't matter. Just put them in the bucket and see what we got.
Ooh, that actually looks really
Should have
good.
to, should have to do it. Yeah, it looks good. So it's got corn.
Yeah. Okay. Bucket number 1.
About right there. 5 gallons.
Bucket number 2. We're going to bucket 11. All right, so the well's cased, and we're gonna pump some water out of it, and I'm gonna drink it from the hose. There it is, 100 feet. 90, 97, 98 feet down?
92, 91.
91 feet down. We're gonna pump that out
91 feet.
into this hose.
Joe, tell us what you got.
Well, I got, I'm looking at some water here.
Okay, looks like a garden hose maybe.
Yeah, so this garden hose.
And you're anticipating water. Looks like you just drilled a well maybe.
I sure did. It's looking great too. Still looks pretty clear there. Nice and cold. Good thing I didn't take a drink right there.
Yeah, no, don't. It'll purge off the bottom for just a second, and then it's going to clear back up because I dropped it all the way down.
Okay.
I'm sitting on the bottom now. Earlier, I held it up with the clamp. Now I'm going to purge that last little bit. So that will clean right back up.
Nice.
because all that 100 gallons of clear water on top of it will purge it back out. And here it goes. It's already getting clear. But yeah, I did that on another one. I forgot that there's, you move your pump and then it has to clean another 3-4 gallons of muck out.
I got you. I'm gonna drink some.
All right.
All right, it's looking pretty good. I think I'm gonna take a drink.
Nice and cold.
Oh, it's cold and it tastes good. Tastes pretty pure and refreshing. I love it. Man, that's awesome. So it's the water going back in from the ground, not from this house.